What is going on, guys? This is KOJOFOREX, aka GBP Legend, aka Sniper Trader, aka King of Blues. I'm back again on your screens. It's been days. It's actually because I've actually been very busy outside the chat and also just working on a few things that I'm going to give you guys updates about in a couple of days. Now, this video that I've got to shoot for you guys is actually a video that I should have shot last week, but because of my busy schedule, I was not really able to shoot it. But I still reckon that it's a very important content, and so regardless, I still have to spend time to shoot it for you guys. It's actually basically an idea where I was supposed to use a strategy or a setup which was supposed to play out as a swing trading, but eventually ended up being a scalping. Now, that may sound a little bit confusing if you've not really understood my concept and style of trading, or perhaps not even watched any of my videos at all. So I am a full-time swing trader who catches reversals and swings, right? So basically, when I talk about reversals and swings, everybody that has been following me for a long time and watch all my videos would know that KOJO would want to sell from this range, KOJO would want to buy here, would want to sell here, and then buy from this range upwards. So basically, it means that at any point in time in the market, I am looking out for signs and signals which is indicating to me that there could be a change in swings, right? So it could be a bearish swing or a bullish swing. As far as I have had all my signals telling me exactly that there could be change in swings, I come in hard on the market. Now, I may get some right, but I may get some wrong as well. But it all depends on how profitable my system of trading is. I've been using this system of trading more than 3 years, and then it has proven itself extremely profitable. Hence why I have a lot of people that I mentor and then people that look up to me in the trading world. Right now, giving you that scenario of how I use a swing trading, basically turning into scalping, has more to do with not leaving money on the table, right? So I'm going to explain that a lot of traders actually fall into this category of always leaving money on the table. They start trading, they're expecting the market to go into a particular level, they see a huge chunk of money, which proportionate to their trading account makes a much difference, even if not related to their trading account, basically related to their own life, right? They make a whole big mistake of not really taking the money because they're expecting the market to still rally up to an overly expected region, and then they totally see the market reverse and then they lose all that money. So it was a typical example that happened to me, right? So you guys know that I trade relatively a huge account. So my lot sizes are usually big, right? Usually ranging from 0.8 all through to 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots on any single position, right? So yeah, last week was when I actually started trying to short most of these Japanese yen pairs, right? So I had my eyes on AUD JPY, I had my eyes on Euro JPY, USD JPY, GBP JPY. In fact, a chunk of them, right? So now what happened was that there were several instances where I tried shorting this market. Now, when I try shorting it, it runs into about 20 pips in profit. It comes to take me back out, right? A typical example is what we can see in Aussie dollar Japanese yen here, right? Now I'm going to show you guys practically what happened with this. So if you can see here, you can see how we have some wick build-ups here. Now all those wick build-ups was at a point in time a place where I had an entry on the market. Now if you really want to use this measuring tool here on TradingView to measure the pip ranges from this red line to here, you can see that what we were basically running into about 26 pips, right? Now 26 pips, if you put on 1 lot, you're basically running about $250. So imagine that you have, like, let's say 4 positions equally running 26 pips. That's you seeing $1,000, right? And this was typically what was happening on a lot of these Japanese yen pairs, right? Aussie dollar Japanese yen was doing the same, Euro Japanese yen was doing the same, GBP JP was doing the same. So like I'm saying, it was a swing setup, me anticipating the market to make a big chunk of a reversal or a retracement. So let's say about this point in the market, which would have made a huge difference in my trading account, right? But nonetheless, the market was refusing to do that or play out as I was expecting, and kept, retracing and pulling back in the opposite direction. Now, the whole resolvance in what I decided to do is that I am an experienced trader and I'm not going to let money be sliding out of my hands so easily like that. Seeing $1,000 getting taken away by the market, $1,000 again getting taken away. $1,000 make much of a great difference in everybody's life, especially even if you're coming from Africa, Ghana, right? $1,000 is about 7,800, which is something that principal managers would have to work a whole month and then may not even get up to that amount. So if I'm here and I'm getting that in a couple of days or weeks, then that's much grateful that I have to be to the market, right? So subsequently, I had another trade setup on the same pair, right? That time now the entry was around here. But what I decided is that rather than watch the market come back and then take me out at break even and then let me just see the money but not taste it, which literally means leaving money on the table, I decided that this time, whatever market pips it gives me, let's say 20-30 pips, I'm going to first book my profit, and then later if it goes all the way back again, I'm not going to have any regret. But if it keeps going in my direction, I'm just going to leave a few profit running and I may just make some more profit. Now let's see exactly what transpired with this. So here was my entry, my stop loss was here, and it was concurrent with a lot of these pairs as well. It wasn't just Aussie dollar Japanese yen. I was doing the same with Euro Japanese yen. I was doing the same with Pound Japanese yen, right? But I'm just showing you the bit of what happened with Aussie dollar Japanese yen. So with this, we had the market push down. Now if you measure this, that was about 36 pips. So here I closed a chunk of my profit, which literally booked that 1,190 you're seeing on your screens, and then subsequently leaving a few positions to run to see where it could eventually run to. Now let's see what happens. It keeps going in the opposite direction. Now that's the reality of what most traders face. So just imagine I didn't book profit, was anticipating that the market was going to go down into my direction without even tasting a little bit of the money, and the market reversing. I would have still been in much regret and wailing that I wasted my time. Trading is difficult. Meanwhile, I saw a chunk of money that could make much of a great difference in my life. So this video is a very short one. It gives you a little perspective of how to even turn a swing trading into a scalping trade, or not to leave money on the table when you see money that can make much of a difference in your life. So yeah, I believe you guys learned a lot. You know what to do. Follow me on all social media at KOJOFOREX. Click in the link in the description to join the Telegram community. Also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.